Every cast is a heartbeat. Every wave, a new opportunity. Fishing isn't just about waiting. It's about feeling, exploring, and evolving with technology. This is amazing fishing tech for the modern angler. Every fishing journey begins with understanding the water. This is Bover, the world's smallest fish finder, weighing only 47 grams, yet able to see up to 40 meters below the surface. It connects directly to your smartphone, mapping the lakebed in real time with GPS, marking every hidden log and structure beneath. And with up to 10 hours of battery life, you can explore the entire lake without missing a single movement. Bover, see what the eye can't. From that same phone, you can plan your entire fishing adventure. FishBrain app, built for anglers, gives you depth maps, weather forecasts, and smart AI predictions of when and where fish will bite. With just a few taps, you can find ideal spots and even see where others are catching theirs. Log your own results, explore new techniques, and connect with a community of over 15 million fishing enthusiasts worldwide. FishBrain, where technology meets passion. When the journey begins, let technology carry the weight for you. This is SPC Tech Power Barrow, an electric fishing cart built for modern anglers. Powered by a 300-watt motor, it moves smoothly beside you, carrying all your gear with effortless control. Its 360-degree swivel wheels handle any terrain, from sand and gravel to soft lake shores. The integrated LCD display shows battery level, speed, and distance, keeping you in command at every step. With a premium price tag? Yes. But every dollar is worth the experience for a true modern angler. Power Barrow, technology that carries your passion. When you want your bait to reach the exact spot, let Catch X Bait Boat Mini GPS do the work. Built like a mini racing yacht, sleek, balanced, and incredibly precise. So light you can lift it with one finger, yet powerful enough to glide effortlessly through waves. With autopilot and cruise control, it responds not only to your phone like a drone, but also to your voice commands. Range extends up to 250 meters via smartphone, or 400 meters with its dedicated remote. The companion app lets you log catches, analyze fish behavior, and plan smarter fishing routes. It's not a cheap toy, but a worthy investment for those who see fishing as an art. Catch X Bait Boat Mini GPS, technology that sails with passion. Ready for the future of fishing? All you need is a dead bait between 13 and 20 centimeters long. Insert the Kanama Smart Bait Mini and watch it swim, as if it were alive. Not a trick, but the result of AI algorithms that replicate the movements of over 20 real fish species. The outcome? Up to 63% higher catch rates. It dives to 150 meters, runs for 2 hours on a single charge, and automatically activates in water, then turns off when removed to save energy. Not just a smart lure, but proof that technology and nature can finally swim in the same rhythm. Kanama Smart Bait Mini, technology that breathes with the ocean. Sometimes, the smallest upgrade makes the biggest difference. This is the Piscifun Speed X-Line Spooler, featuring a 10.5 centimeter adjustable clamp that fits nearly any reel on the market. Roll too much line? No problem. Its exclusive unwinding mode fixes it in seconds. Built with a solid aluminum core for durability, not plastic. This one's made to last. Compatible with both bait casting and spinning reels, it's the perfect tool for any angler. And the best part? It's only $35, Piscifun Speed X, compact, clever, and built to make fishing easier. Think of all the lures you've lost, caught on branches, stuck under rocks, tangled in weeds. Well, you can finally breathe easy and those days are over. For just $75, you can add the end roll system to your fishing setup. A clever device that recovers your lures instead of losing them. It includes a 30-meter spool and a retrieving block with ball bearings that attaches smoothly to your lure. According to its creators, the end roll pays for itself after just 20 uses, saving both money and frustration. A simple idea, but one that keeps your passion and your lures alive. End roll system. Smart tech that saves your catch and your heart. When the sun sets and the lake glows in firelight, that's when technology takes over. S9 Pro, turning night fishing into a true high-tech experience. These smart bite alarms aren't just remote controlled. They connect to flashlights, smartwatches, and other smart devices. Picture this. You're relaxing by a campfire next to your tent when your watch buzzes. A fish is on the line. No cables, no clutter, just pure convenience. With a 100 decibel alert, you'll never miss a single catch, even if you fall asleep. S9 Pro, the tech that never sleeps so you can rest easy and keep fishing smarter. Once you have all the gear you need, comfort becomes the next innovation. The 360 ignition chair is a true inspiration for fishing enthusiasts, especially those who love feeder fishing, where casting happens every 1 to 3 minutes. And in that world, stability means everything. The Ignition 360 delivers it flawlessly, with 4 independently adjustable legs, each featuring a wide circular base that keeps the chair steady even on soft ground. For added comfort, the seat rotates a full 360 degrees, making long fishing sessions easier and more enjoyable. Not just a chair, it's a fusion of comfort and precision for your perfect day by the water. The 360 Ignition Chair, where comfort becomes technology. Today's anglers are far better equipped than those from 10 or 20 years ago. New technologies make fishing easier for beginners and more efficient for professionals, leading to bigger, more consistent catches. But as fishing evolves, more anglers are realizing something deeper. It's not just about catching, it's about giving back. One major challenge is barotrauma, a condition that affects fish brought up from deep water. That's where Fish Saver comes in. This simple tool helps return the fish quickly to its original depth, improving its chances of survival. Small, affordable, yet deeply meaningful. Because technology isn't just for bigger catches, it's for a better ocean. When the lake freezes over, only true anglers remain. And for them, technology becomes warmth in the cold. The Arctic Lottie Pack is a simple yet highly effective device that every fisherman will appreciate. A bright, compact bite indicator, designed specifically for ice fishing. Easy to attach, easy to spot, and always reliable. But that's just the beginning. When it's time to cut through solid ice, the Eskimo Auger Pistol Bit 2.0 is your ultimate companion. Now featuring a 25cm blade, it works seamlessly with electric drills. To ensure top performance, the developers recommend using a brushless motor drill with an 18-volt 6-amp battery. Strong, fast, precise. The Auger 2.0 delivers pro-level drilling power for those who truly love winter fishing. Because even in the coldest moments, passion keeps you warm. Minn Kota, a brand every serious angler knows. They're famous for their high-end electric trolling motors, but that's not all they offer. Meet the Raptor Anchor, a breakthrough for shallow water fishing. When it launched, it was the only anchor of its kind featuring both active anchoring and auto bottom mode. These smart technologies constantly monitor the water and the bottom surface, adjusting the clamping pressure automatically to keep your boat steady, whether it's muddy or rocky down below. So you can stay focused on what really matters. Fishing. The Raptor is fully controllable via remote control or foot pedal and comes in at around $1,700.